we are now going to start our training, and I'm so happy to be with you. And now let me see if other people are still joining a little bit. Let them know that we have given them just 2 minutes so that they can join in. Those who are not here, in 2 minutes we are starting. So I think we are now ready to start. Give me a thumbs up if you're listening to me. If you can listen to me and I'm very clear, please comment in the comment section such that I know if I'm clear. Let me know if I'm clear by commenting. My name is Fred. I'm a V4 with this amazing company, Royal Q. Okay, that's nice. So I'm a V4. I'm a crypto trader. I've done this business of crypto and Royal Q for the last 3 years. Yeah, I've done very many trades and I'm still doing very, very many trades because personally I've decided to create this as my lifestyle. Yeah, I'm going to do these trade things, okay? And as part of me, so trading is part of me. I've seen very many setups, I've traded them, and I've gotten results out of this trading. So I want to tell you, ladies and gentlemen, is that you need this skill, okay? You need the skill of trading, and you need the skills of selling, okay? In life, if you cannot sell, then you cannot make money. You get it? So what are we selling as a team of the game changers? We are selling the software, the robot. What does the robot do? The robot does what we call crypto trading. So that's why we bother so much to give you the skills of crypto trading such that you know how the robot works, such that in some points you can even instruct the robot. 2, we give you skills of selling. Why we give you skills of selling is because we want you to sell this robot. We want you to build a trading team. If you can have a trading team under you and these people are trading, every day will be making money, passive income. That even if you don't sell a robot the following day, as long as people under you are trading. They can go in the market, analyze the market, and they execute trades. They tell the robot to trade. My friend, you are in business. And the other thing I want to emphasize, ladies and gentlemen, is that we have a gold mine. We have a wonderful opportunity that is Royal Q. Okay? Royal Q is here. It's not like the scam companies who tell you we are maintaining and they never come out of maintaining. The other time I saw people panicking, but the panicking was just 2 days to 3 days, and the things resumed back to normal. So, ladies and gentlemen, we are in a wonderful business. No need to panic. Build this Royal Q thing as if you're building a generational business, that you're going to transfer this to your future children and to grandchildren. That is the mindset you should have. And build the thing with confidence and learn it. Give time and learn. So at this point, I want to congratulate everyone who is on this call. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm so proud of you. This means that you guys are willing to learn. You guys are ready in this thing. You guys are seeing this business as a wonderful business. That's why we should start immediate. Okay, like our topic today. Okay, I want to tell you the basics of market analysis. The basics of market analysis. Now we are going to do we are going to learn. Actually, let me send you a book which we are going to be following. We send it on the Game Changers, such that everybody can read through, and then you can learn. Yes, such that you can be learning. Eh? If you get your own time, you can what? You can be learning this. Eh? You pass through this. So this is a 20 pages. Like, you're going to get it in the group. Please download it. I have a copy of your own. Am I still online? Yeah, I think people can still hear me. If I'm not mistaken. Okay, guys can hear me. Just give me a thumbs up if you can still hear me. Yes, that's gone. Has reached the group. Okay, wow, wonderful. So we are going to follow that book. It is called. It's just a 20 pages book, but it consists everything you need to know about candlesticks. And if you have these principles, ladies and gentlemen, you're going to get everything done. Okay? Once you get everything done, ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you, you're going to trade like a pro. Now, this is the very, very best things you look at in the market and say, wow, this is it. I've seen this. I've seen everything. I've seen this. I'm going to tell my robot, please enter. Okay? And these include things you have to know the candlestick chart. What does the candlestick mean? What does this mean? You also need to know the candlestick shapes. I'm going to teach you anatomy of the candlestick. Anatomy means that how does the candlestick look like? The form. Okay, I will show you the doji, morobozu. Okay, I also show you the partners. Hey, you look at the hammer, the hanging man, the bearish hammer, bullish, inverted hammer, shooting star, engulfing, bullish, morning star. You're going to run these things, and you're going to be proud of yourself. And as you look into the charts of your maybe trading view and say, hey man, I'm entering the trade. Why? I've seen a morning star. Oh man, I'm exiting this trade. Why? I've seen an evening star. You get it, eh? I'm telling my robot, please exit. You get it, eh? White C3, white soldiers, You also see piercing line, okay? Then we're also going to teach you different things, okay? Then after this, we shall now go into others, okay? You learn how to draw the trend lines. You have to learn how to draw, how to use different indicators. But the basic, ladies and gentlemen, everything that controls either you enter or you exit is the market pattern. Actually, it is called, in trading, we call it price action. Okay? And for you to know price action, you must know the candlestick patterns. Okay. Now, when we open our Binance, okay, let's say, I want to look at this chart of Naira USD. Okay, I can choose to view this chart in form of a line. That's the line. I can choose to view this chart in form of a line. I'm saying the line, so I can view the chart in form of a line. However, I can also choose, because the line will tell you the price has gone up, now the price is going down, the price is going up. So some people buy and sell just depending on this line. And the line show you the average. You get it? However, this is not the... Okay, people use it. However, I personally don't use it. I use the candlesticks. And the candlesticks look like this. Those are the candlesticks. They look like that. Those are the candlesticks. They look like that. Now, like you realize that I'm clicking on different time frames. And what do I see? I see this. Okay, I see this. I see a green or red according to my chart. However, some charts you see white and black. You get it? Some charts you see colorless or pink and anything, as long as you can see those two different colors. So those are called candlesticks. Okay, this is what I've just showed you on Binance. It can be lines, and then you make entries depending on that. But to be more advanced, you see these. I think these are called candlesticks. Like this one, this chart has the green and red, okay? Green and red. Those are called candlesticks. Now, you need to understand how these candlesticks and what do they mean. You get it? Okay. To understand that, let me show you just a figure here. Let me show you just a figure. A figure is here. Now, there are two different candles, okay? There is this one and that one. Which candle is it? Yes, you need to understand this. Okay. Now, the candlestick will show you what has happened to this asset. Let's say if I'm talking about Bitcoin, okay, what has happened during this time? Or I can ask Binance, what has happened to Bitcoin? How has the price of Bitcoin moved in the last 1 hour, or in the last 3 hours, or in the last 15 minutes? Then I'll go to Binance. Now Binance will print for me something like this. Now it's up to me to interpret what Binance is meaning. Now what it's meaning, okay? What it's meaning. Now let us use different. Okay, it depends on the candle. We are assuming this is a green candle. The one in color, the one in white is a green candle. Now Binance will print for me something like this, just like the normal candles we use to light when light goes off. It will tell me that the price of Bitcoin started at an open. That is the where that white thing ends and where that lower stick starts from. You get it? Eh? Now it opened at that price, and then the price of Bitcoin tried to go down to a low level. To where that lower stick end, it's called the low. Okay? The price of Bitcoin reached there. But people there were willing to buy. Okay? The buying pressure there was high. And it pushed the Bitcoin up to where that upper stick ends. You get it? We call that the high. Okay? And then when the prices reached there, people a little bit sold off. Okay? And the price went a little down and closed. Okay? To where that upper part where that thing ends. I'm going to illustrate for you in the real chart. Eh? And now let us assume that the red one, this candle is a red one, according to the charts I'm going to show you, the black one. So it will show you that the price of Bitcoin opened at that price, where you see the open stock the close price. Okay, in case that okay, let me just show you it from here. So you need to know the open, the highest price, the lowest price, the close. Eh? So let me show you from the real chart. Eh? Now let me show you a 1 hour chart. 1 hour. Let me show you from baby 1M baby Doge. Eh? Let me go to a 4 hour chart. Okay. We are focusing on this candle. This one. That second last. The one which closed before this, because this one is still running. Eh? That one is still running, but my focus is on this one. Now, this shows that the price, by the start of this hour, the 4 hours, the price of 1 million baby Doge started at that price. We call that the open. Okay? We call it the open. Are you seeing the price? That price. That one. That. So it opened at that price. Okay? Now it will show you, actually even Binance tells it to you, that the open was 0.0018. Then the price tried to go down low. You get it? So Binance will even show you that the low during that 4 hour, it was 0.0017. You get it? 8. No, 0.0017, something like that. Then the price went up to this point, like this. The price went up to that point. But people a little bit sold and the price ended here. Then, at the end of those 4 hours, okay, Binance will tell you the price of 1M baby Doge moved up. Okay? It moved up from where the price moved up. Meaning, by the end of those 4 hours, the price was not at the point where it was at the beginning of the 4 hours. We call that a candlestick. Now, we are looking at this. I think this red one. Eh? That red one, red candle. Now see, the price of that red candle, I'm meaning the third candle from the left. The price during these 4 hours, the price started at this point. It was high. The price tried to go even higher. Are you seeing that? Yeah. But the people around there sold it off. It passed where it started those 4 hours from, and it went down. Actually, it even went to as low as this point. But by the end of those 4 hours, the price ended there. You get it? So as long as you can understand that, you can know. Now, because the price went down, okay, from the time where it started and then the time where it ended, the time where the 4 hours ended, the price went down. I'll see it as a red candle. The candle will be red in color. But at the point where the price closed the 4 hours or the 1 hour, when the price was higher than the the price is higher than where the price is higher, the closing price is higher than the opening price, we shall see a blue, we shall see a green candle. Okay, that's what it means. Now, if you understand just that one, you are good to go. Okay, you know the basic of the what? Of the market. And now, when you're talking to fellow traders, you will give these two candles names. You get it? We can say this candle is bullish. Bullish. Bullish means the candle is green. Bullish means that the candle closed from the at a higher price than it opened. We call it a bullish candle. The bulls push the market up. Okay? And then when you're talking to fellow traders and you say the market went down, you get it? Because I saw a bearish candle. Okay? Yeah. That the fellow trader will know that, man, the price went down and we saw a red candle, just like this one. Did you get it? So I don't know if there is any question on that. Okay? But as long as you can know the open and the close, you're good to go. Okay? Is there any question, ladies and gentlemen? Let me know if there is any question about that. Can I proceed on? Have you understood that? Okay. Okay. Fortunate is giving me thumbs up. It means we are good to go. Okay? Yes. I think it's Richard. Yes, Richard. Richard, do you want to ask me a question?
Yes, I want to know why is it that some candles don't have those long sticks down?
Hey, why is it that those candles don't have those long sticks down? Okay. That means, okay, if the candle has no those, let me show you like this one. Like this first one, I think there is no stick at all. Meaning, the first one, you see, there is no stick at all. It means at the start of those 4 hours, the price never even tried going down. It immediately shoot up. You get it, eh? That's what it means. That the price didn't first go down, no. The price from opening of the 4 hours, the price shoot up. We also see it in the red candles, eh? That the price, when the price hit there, it immediately went down. You get it? Never even tried to go up. Let me have a look at Tabo and I see if we can. Even Tabo did the same thing. At the opening, the price shoot up. That's what it means. Eh? So, and for us as traders, we say that, man, the bulls are very strong. You get it? The bulls are strong. They could not even give a chance to the bears. They did not even give a chance for the price to go down. No, they immediately pushed it up. That means that the buying force is very big. As we are describing the different kind of candles, you will come to realize that. We shall be speaking about that. Hope I've answered that very well.
Yes, sir. So if the candle is not bullish, it is what? The red one?
It's bearish. Bear. Do you know bull and the bear?
No?
Do you know the animal called the bull?
Yes.
The animal called a bull is that animal which is a car, a male car. But a bear, okay, a bear is that animal. It's like a dog, eh? Okay, a bear.
Okay.
Let me show you a bear. A bear is that one. These candles were named out because of those two animals. Eh? The bulls fight widow, the bear. If you watch this animal fight, I always enjoy watching it fight because I like its way. If this animal is fighting, goes on his the rear legs, and then it pulls its enemy down. So because the people who are forcing the market to go down, forces it to go down, we call it a bear, the bears. Then while a bull is fighting, okay, it makes sure whatever is fighting, it pushes it up with its horns. You get it? That's why every force that is making the market to go down, money to go up, we call it bulls. The bulls strong. You get it? So
Okay.
after understanding that, ladies and gentlemen, let's proceed. Let's proceed to what? To the different candlestick anatomy. Okay. Now I want you to observe on the charts that some candles actually they don't have a body. Okay. The body is that either blacker thing or the white thing or that red thing without the stick, because the candle has the sticks and the body. Okay. Then others have no body at all. Let me show you. Let me go into the charts and I show you. Let me show you. Let me show you. Now, are you seeing? This thing has a very big body. It's a red candle with a big body. This one is a green candle with a strong body. But you look at this red candle with a body. Now look at this. Are you seeing this red? It has no body. Are you seeing this? That's a very small body. Okay. So these ones have a different meaning. And those ones without a body, let me go in 15 minutes. You see this more clearly. Are you seeing this? This red candle with a body. Red candle with a body, but see this. Green candle with no body. Are you getting? Okay. Are you seeing this? Red candle with no body. Show me. Are you seeing this? A red candle with no body. What does that mean, ladies and gentlemen? Those candles, it can either be red or green, but without a body, or with a very small body. We call those one dojis. We call them what? Dojis. Every time you're looking into your charts and you see a doji, what should come to your mind is that the price is either about to change. You get it? If you have been going up and you see a doji, okay, we are more likely going to go down, because these ones show that there is any decisiveness. It shows that the people who have been pushing this market to go up, they have lost momentum. They are no longer strong. They have lost the strength. Take this as a fight, ladies and gentlemen. Take this as a fight. You get it? Take it as a fight. That and take these candles as blows. If someone gave you a very strong blow and you felt it in your chest, you get it, and then gives you another one on your chin and you felt it even bite your tongue. Those are big candles with strong bodies. Those are big blows. And then someone, let alone, starts bringing a small blows. Very small. You cannot even feel its power. What comes to your mind? That, ah man, this guy has lost what? Momentum. Then that means is now tired. If I'm a fighter and I realize that, then I bring my major momentum, and I beat this guy off, knock them down, and they fall. You get it? So if it is the buyers, okay, who are pushing the market up with big blows, big candlestick, big bodies, and then they start bringing in dodges. You realize that, hey man, they have lost momentum. They are no longer willing to buy more. So at that point, what do? Tell your man, it's like this trend is about to fade off. It's like the buyers have lost it. They have lost momentum. We are more likely going to go down. So tell your robot to exit because there are higher chances of going down. I'm going to show you different actions. But now you look, if the sellers have been strong, red candles coming up, green, red, big bodies, those are big blows. And now see that they have started, you see a doji. What comes to your mind? Just know these guys have lost momentum. So there are higher chances of the buyers now coming in to push the market up. And in that case, what do? You tell your robot, man, let's enter the market. Take maybe this percentage. I will be showing you how to take percentage. But that's what it means. So dojis are very, very important. Now, these dojis are also classified. They are what to call long-legged doji. There's what you call golden dragonfly. There is what you call gravestone doji. You're going to be seeing these very, very often. You're going to be showing them. So the long legged, it has on both sides, okay, the up and down, then a small body is in the middle. But it means that the buyers pushed, the sellers also pushed, then they are there in the middle. They have equal. Then dragonfly, it has a long tail. Okay? If you look at it, it means down there, these guys, the price from where the lowest point, at that point, the buying force is very big there. So there are very many people who are willing to buy. That's why the price was pushed up. Okay? So that we call that a dragonfly doji. That means that the prices are very 100%. Most of the time, the prices will go up. Then gravestone doji. Now this means with a long head, the upper stick is long, okay, with no tail at all. What does that mean? It means from where the price, that upper hand where the price reached, the buyers they are very, very, the sellers are very strong. People are willing to sell off that asset at that price. That means there are higher chances that the price will go down. So once you see those, okay, it helps you to have a wonderful implication that the prices are about to go up. Now let me give you an example. In this case, we are going up, and then you see a doji. This is a doji. That's a doji. What happened later? The price has changed. That doji meant that at that point, the guys who were selling strong, people around there were willing to take profit. So they were selling off, they sold off the asset, and the asset went down. So the dojis are very, very important. Are you seeing this doji? Okay. Even there at that point, guys were willing to sell and then they sold off. Okay. And then prices went down. Someone is asking me. No, when you hear someone speak, it means no question, ladies and gentlemen. Can we proceed? Now let me show you the dojis in real time, in real time, and what they imply. So once you watching to your charts and you see dojis, okay? Are you seeing this kadoji, this kawane? Okay, this kadoji, that green one. We were going down, okay, and the doji showed up. See what happened? It didn't take very long, and the prices started going up. So this doji shows you that, man, at that point, the higher chances that the price will reverse. So let me show you another. This is okay. Let me show you the. Let me show you. Okay, let me show you. Are you seeing we're going up and the doji showed up? Are you seeing this doji? It means at this point, the higher chances that prices will start going down. Okay, so if you watch that Nairo, okay, you'll see that the price is more likely going to what? To reverse. So dojis show you that man, there are chances that you are going to what? To reverse. Give you another example. We were going down, are you seeing it? And then this doji showed up. Are you seeing this? It was a sign that we are more likely going to reverse and go up. Are you seeing what happened? We reversed and went up. So like this, okay? Okay, let me go in a coin that has somehow stayed for longer on the market, and then we identify these dojis and where they are located. Dojis, are you seeing this doji? This one. We're going up, and then the doji started showing up. So those dojis show you that, man, we are likely going to what? To reverse. Because if strong blow, and then it is a weak blow. Are you seeing that? Means that, man, these guys have lost momentum. So if you're in that trade, please expect a retracement, and I will tell you what retracement means, okay, or what a move means. Move and retracement mean. So you just know that there is a retracement. So hope you have understood the dojis and what they mean. If you have any question on dojis, okay, please let me know such that I can help you on that. So do we all now know what dojis mean and how they look like? If you know that, give me a thumbs up. Okay. Joelia is okay. Livingstone's okay. Okay, let's now proceed to the next one. Joel is raising his hand. Joel, let me know what where you have not understood properly. Can I unmute your microphone and tell me?
Okay, hello. Can you hear me? Hello.
Yes, Joel. Joel, I can hear you, sir.
Okay, greetings.
Greetings, sir.
Yeah, so my question is about the doji, like how and like where are the areas that you found doji that can be good to take a trade, the areas in the market, because like
Okay.
if you see
Now
doji,
it depends on your strategy. Okay. Now when the right time comes, I'll be telling you. I'll be always mentioning about the word strategy. Okay. So I'll be telling you about indicators. So it depends on the strategy you're using. Some
yeah,
people use the Bollinger Bands, like me, I use Bollinger Bands. So if I see a doji on the lower band, you get it, I know
yeah,
that the price is more likely going to reverse and go up. So I take a trade on the lower band. If I see a doji on the upper band, it means that the price is more likely going to start falling down. So I say, no, now let me exit. Are you getting me? If at
yeah,
all I'm what I enter the trade and I reach at the upper band and the price is going down, then I know. But now other people, they don't use the Bollinger Band. They use other things. Let's say they use Fibonacci. Actually, if you are not getting these words I'm mentioning, no worries. Now this is inside the what? Inside the trading. Eh? So other people use Fibonacci. If I see a doji on a 100 Fibonacci line, I know that the price is going to go down. So I sell. Or if other people use
Boy, I need Nanges so far as it concern
Are you still on?
I'm very sorry, ladies and gentlemen. My network got disrupted and I went off. I'm sorry about that. But what I wanted to emphasize is that you must get that basic knowledge of the candlesticks, okay? Especially the what does that big body means, okay? What does the doji mean, and what does the red candle mean, and what does the green candle mean? Once you know those, you are good to go. Okay. So we have like 7 minutes to conclude this lesson. I'm sorry, network took like our 10 minutes, but it's okay. We good enough. We have the time and we have the time and we have the time to do everything. So now Marobozu. Marobozu, okay, it's an Indian word. It means to be shaved. Now, to be shaved, it means you don't have beards. Now, Marobozu means that the what? That that move is strong. It shows you that whatever is happening is a strong move. You get it? Let's say I've seen a green candle without any top, wick, and lower wick. It means at the point the price started, it moved without going down or went up and never was never pushed down. Once you see that, you know that that move is strong. Okay. Now, a red one, it means that the bears are strong. Okay, when the price started, immediately they pushed the market down and they were never pushed up at any moment. So it means that is an indication that those guys are strong, the sellers are strong, and they are going to push the market up. They are not going to push the market down. So at that point, don't make an entry. If you are in the trade and you're seeing great big Marubozu candles, that means the trend is still on. We are still going up. If you see, if you're planning to enter the trade, remember when you're planning to enter the trade, you wait for the buyers to sell, the sellers to sell, price will go down. But if you're seeing Marubozu candles, my friend, it means that the people are still selling. So don't try what? Don't try selling. Okay. Okay. Now let me start on the what? The candle patterns. So after understanding the doji, the Marubozu, let me just give you an introduction of what? Of the patterns, because we have like 4 minutes. Okay. Now patterns shows you what is about to happen. Okay. If I see a pattern like if I see a pattern like the halami, I'm going to help you understand what halami means. If I see a pattern like a hammer, okay, I'm going to help you understand what a hammer means. Then, if I see a pattern like a morning star, I see a hanging man, you get it? I see an inverted hammer. Okay, I'm going to help you understand what all this means, okay? We're going to understand what all those ones mean. But what I want to tell you, these ones will tell you that whatever has been happening, this has This has come to an end. And if you are in that trade, it means it's high time you exit. If you're not in that trade, it means it's if you are trying to look for a trade to enter, to me that's the right time to enter the trade. You get it? And each of us will get a better understanding on what all this means. So to give you just an insight of a hammer, like this normal hammer, a hammer has a handle and a head. You get it? So it depends on where you have seen this. If you have seen a candle with a long thread and a head on top, they are always, most of the time, they are indicating a reversal. You get it? If I see this, especially this bullish or bullish hammer, okay, or you can call it or a bearish hammer. A bearish hammer is that hanging man. Hanging man, the candle looks like someone is hanging on, like a rope, and someone is below it. Up there, it means up there, people are willing to sell this at a high rate, and it means that the prices are more likely going to go down. But if I see a bullish hammer like this one I've just showed you, that means down there, guys are willing to buy. So the buying force is high. If you have been going down, there are higher chances that you are going to go up. So if I see a bullish hammer, it is a good sign for me. And man, it's high time we enter a trade, and what we know that the prices are going to go up. So you enter and exit at the point where, which will be determined by other candles, by other areas, maybe support, maybe resistance, and all that. Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, I hope we have had some good time. We have learned something. We are going to continue with the patterns next week. Please be available. I'm always going to be available to at least for that 1 hour. We're going to always be together and then give you things we should always look at in the market. Thank you for listening to me, ladies and gentlemen. Let me wish you a nice lunch, and may God keep you. If there is any question, please text it in the chat box. But I think I've been elaborate enough, and you have been able to what? To understand what I've just told you. I think it's okay. Let me wish you a good evening. You can get time and read through that slide those pages I've just showed you, and then I've shared with you in the group, and then you'll get a better understanding of what I've tried to explain. Thank you so much.